Chapter 3. Animals World. Introduction. There are various types of animals in the world. They are of different sizes, from an enormous rhinoceros to a tiny ant or snail. They live in different places and eat different kinds of food and move in different ways. In this chapter you will study about different kinds of animals, their feeding habits and their shelters. Food of animals. Animals are living things. They cannot make their own food. But they need food to get energy and to grow and build their bodies. All animals do not eat same types of food. Some animals eat plants and grass while some eat flesh of other animals. On the basis of eating habits, animals are divided into following categories. 1. Plant-eating animals, herbivores. 2. Flesh-eating animals, carnivores. 3. Both plant and flesh-eating animals, omnivores. Plants eaters, herbivores. Some animals such as cows, elephants, deers, buffaloes and goats eat plants or plant products only. These animals are called herbivores. They have flat front teeth and strong and flat grinding teeth at the back which help them in chewing the grass and leaves. Flesh eaters, carnivores. Animals like lion, tiger and cheetah kill other animals and eat their flesh. They are called carnivores. They have long pointed teeth to cut the flesh and strong grinding teeth to chew the bones and flesh. Animals that eat plants and flesh, omnivores. Animals such as crow, bear, cat, dog, etc. eat both plants and flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores. Human beings are also omnivores. How animals eat. Different animals eat in different ways. The feeding habit of animals depends on teeth, shape of mouth and jaws of the animals, and the kinds of food they eat. Gnawing animals. Animals like rabbit, squirrel and rats have very sharp front teeth. They cut and bite fruits, seeds and nuts with these teeth. This is called gnawing the food. Animals that chew. Animals like cows and buffaloes swallow their food and fill their stomach. When they rest, they bring back this food into the mouth and chew it for hours. This is known as chewing the cud. They have strong and broad back teeth to chew the food. Animals that suck the nectar and blood. Some insects like mosquitoes, butterflies, and honeybees suck their food. These insects have long, pointed sucking tubes. Animals that swallow their food. Animals like snake do not chew their food. They swallow the whole animal. Frogs and lizards have long sticky tongues. Insects get stuck to the tongue and then they swallow the insects quickly. Food chain. A chain formed by animals, depending on their food habits, is called food chain. A chain describing who eats whom is called a food chain. In any food chain, a plant is at the first level. They are called producers as they produce their own food. Domestic animals. Some animals are kept by human beings for work and food. They are called domestic animals. They serve you well if you take proper care of them. You should be kind to these animals and should take care of their food, shelter, water, etc. to keep them healthy. Sick animals should be taken to the veterinary doctor.